Howdy friends and neighbors, it's old Dale Collins coming to you again today on behalf of Presidential Gardens Backyard Nursery. We're located at 3095 Dave Ward Drive in beautiful Conway, Arkansas. We're talking today about our native pawpaw trees. Native American pawpaw trees. They're our #2 seller here at the nursery, have been for a number of years. The fruit of the native American pawpaw trees look very similar to mangoes and are green kidney shaped. They are about 6 inches long and about 3 inches wide. When cut in half, the interior reveals a yellow custard-like pulp with 2 rows of large seeds. A pawpaw can weigh from 1/2 to 1 pound and is the largest native fruit from North America. Pawpaws can be eaten raw, or they can be used in ice cream, puddings, smoothies, and butter, such as apple butter. And they are used in baked goods, such as cookies and pies. Native American pawpaw trees are not subject to the high level of pests and diseases that many other fruit trees are. They are native to the United States, they are deer resistant, and provide fruit and beautiful, remarkable yellow fall color. Each adult pawpaw tree can produce between 25 and 50 pounds of fruit each year. They taste like a cross between a mango and a banana with a little splash of pineapple flavor. Native American pawpaw trees typically get between 15 and 20 feet tall and about 10 feet wide. They grow in USDA Hardiness Zones 5 through 9 and thrive in moist, fertile, and well-drained soils. Young pawpaw trees are sensitive to full sunlight and do best with filtered sun for the first year or two. Once mature, they are most productive in full sun. They will tolerate some shade, but will produce less fruit. They have a moderate growth rate, and the fruit is harvested from August through October. Native American pawpaw trees typically take between 2 to 5 years to bear fruit. Native American pawpaw trees are not self-fertile. You must have at least 2 trees, and the more the better. To increase your pollination and your size of your crop, plant more and additional trees, pawpaw trees. They'll be a real blessing and addition to your homestead, your garden, or your yard. Well friends, I'm back again. Old Dale Collins. Just want to wind this video up with them 5 important things that you can do to help this channel. That is to hit the like button, to comment if you'd like, to hit the share button, and share this information out there to people that it can be a blessing to. Hit the subscribe button. I want to personally invite you to be a part of this channel and growing group. And then hit that bell notification button, ding, 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 so that you will be one of the very first to get notified when we come out with some additional videos. Thanks for watching.